Hello and welcome to Frappe ERP Next course. In this section, we will discuss different inbuilt methods and functions used in server-side scripting, and also we will code using Python language. Let's start learning. Here I am creating a new doc type called server-side scripting for writing codes. So let's create a new doc type. Go to web application, then open doc type. Here we can see our client-side scripting doc type. Let's open this. And I am duplicating this client-side scripting. So let's click on this menu button, then click on duplicate. Now we can see a new form and which is exactly same as client-side scripting. We can see here a list of fields and which is directly copied from client-side scripting. Then I am just removing this amendment from field. Click on delete and let's add a name here, and I am adding server side scripting name here. Then let's go to naming section. I'm just changing this prefix, and my new prefix is serve. I'm not changing anything here. Then just click on save. Now we successfully created our server side scripting doc type. Go to server side scripting list. Let's create a new server side scripting document. Then click on save. Now our first document is created and the naming series is serve001. Let's open the VS Code and see the controlling files associated with server-side scripting. Let's open the root directory and open demo app application, then programming module. Go to doc types, and here we can see different doc types which we created previous videos. And here we can see our server-side scripting directory. Let's open this. Inside this directory, we can see different controlling files and database development file. Our first file is server-side scripting JS file, and this will control the client-side scripting. And next one is JSON file, and this will create database structure. And the third file is server-side scripting.py file. And in this section, we are more focused on this server-side scripting.py file. Inside this server-side scripting.py file, we can see a class is already defined, and the class name is server-side scripting, and which is inherited from a base class called document class. We will write all our controlling functions and methods inside this class. The class will trigger different functions and method based on different events, which is same as client-side scripting, and we will discuss all the events used in server-side scripting in next video. Now let's start with a simple message print function from server-side scripting. I'm removing this pass. Then to print message, we can use this method frappe dot message print. Then inside this parenthesis, we can write our message. And I'm writing hello frappe. Our next step is to trigger this method, and for triggering this method, I am using a validate event. So let's define a validate event inside this class. And add this frappe.messagePrint method to that validate event. So now the method frappe message print will trigger when we validating this form. Normally the validation is happened before saving this document. And I am doing one more thing, and here we can see one import frappe line is commented. Let's uncomment this and save the form. go to server side scripting list and add a server side scripting. Let's add a name here. Then let's click on this save button, and here we can see the message hello Frappe, and which is from our server side scripting. We will discuss more server side event triggering methods in coming videos. Let's wind up this lecture and see you on the next lecture. Bye.